Mastercam 2022's new note chaining functionality allows you to chain notes for toolpaths. Additionally, chained notes are associative. You can change the font or text as many times as needed, then regenerate the toolpath to reflect changes made to the note. Notes can also be associated to geometry. If the geometry is moved, the note moves with it. You can only chain notes when wireframe mode is selected in the wireframe chaining dialog box. Along with the ability to chain notes, Mastercam supports using the solid extrude function for notes. You can modify solids using the Add Boss or Cut Body options in the Extrude function located on the Solids tab.
For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.